Hi friends, what's up? This is RK from 360 Data. It's time to learn how to install Instagram on your Mac as an app. Instagram is a popular photo and video sharing platform, while iPhone and Android users can install Instagram on their device through the respective app stores. Mac users who want to install Instagram have a different route entirely. If you have wanted the ability to use Instagram on the Mac as an application, you'll be happy to know that the new web app feature in Safari makes it possible. That said, let me show you how it's done the quick way. First and foremost, open Safari on your Mac and then head over to Instagram.com. Now click on the File menu at the top left corner of the user interface. Then choose Add to Dock option. Next up, you can customize the web app name if you would like, or keep the name Instagram as it is. And finally, click on the Add option in the menu and you are good to go. Instagram will now appear in the Mac dock as a web app. Now you can launch it directly from the dock on your Mac. It's worth pointing out that Instagram runs as a separate app process and everything independent from the main Safari app. That means you can now quit Instagram and continue to use Safari and vice versa without any hassle. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily install and use Instagram on your Mac as an app. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy macOS tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.